Alright, so this is the completed unit here for this guy. So these are all what came out of here. And the problem with these is that all the holes, the tabs have wallowed themselves out. And what usually happens with this is when they do this, they just get worse and worse. You can see some are like kind of okay. But that's because they, you know, some of them maybe aren't using all of them and they've never been used. You see some of them are really wide open. So this is what goes wrong with these. See, those ones right here are pretty bad. And originally I'd opened this thing up a few times and I had switched these things around. So these don't even say anything on them. They don't say China. They do have this little logo right here, but I'm pretty sure this thing's made in China. So I'm pretty sure these are made in China too because they came from Walmart. So I don't remember what these are. They're like $1 a piece. Yeah, made in China. So we had to come in here and resolder this. I don't like this kind of construction. I prefer compression crimps. The problem, see, like here they tacked it over here onto this piece of steel. And then originally, this was in the other way, which made it so close that what happened was this thing got loose. And you can see how it can tilt when it gets loose. So what happened was it got loose and it arced out inside of here. So another thing too, I'll probably take and put some electric tape on the bottom side of that. That is dangerously close to the bottom of this thing, which is technically insulated, but you can see where this thing arced out from this stupid thing. And it's almost like the whole thing is in here backwards because really I think it should have been up here. Oh no, actually this is plastic. So they did put some plastic here, but what was the point of the plastic? Now the reason that this is also important is because voltage and electricity can jump across, you know, sometimes. So also if you squish this down, it would come in contact with this. So there's just a lot of things that are wrong with this power strip. This is very kind of dangerous. So the transient suppression is this MOV right here. That is it. So that's why, like, really, there's a circuit breaker and there's an MOV. And if something goes wrong, the MOV will short out or whatever and then pop the breaker. But this is a terrible design. So we completely reworked. I took the screws and I cut them. Clipped off pieces. A little too short. So we should now have a good outlet for a little while longer. We need to add some protection and make sure this thing's not going to do anything stupid.